You asked for it, and we delivered. The Deckhand from Handy makes changing blades, cleaning and servicing mower decks on lawn tractors and zero-turn mowers a breeze. Offered as an attachment, the Deckhand is easily mounted and fits the Handy Standard 1000, Sam 1000, Bob 1500, and Gruntifor 1800 airlifts. Adjustable front wheel pads, moving from a maximum wheel perch of 48 inches to a minimum wheel perch of 9 inches and accommodating up to 9-inch wide tires, make loading quick and easy. Combine a 30-inch maximum lifting height with a 500-pound front-end lifting capacity, and you've got all the muscle you need. An easy-to-operate crank winch featuring a heavy-duty 3/16-inch cable powers the Deckhand. And with an automatic ratcheting safety lock, you decide what working height is right for you. Add to that an automatic friction brake that will not allow the winch to freewheel under load, and you've got safety and security covered. So what are you waiting for? Get to work and get it done upright. Quit lying on the floor to get to the bottom side of your mower deck. All you need to take care of the job is the Deckhand. American made and only from Handy.